Alright, today we will see a motherboard, vintage motherboard. This is too old, as you could see here on all the components, and this RAM is already inserted in it. And RAM also too old. I don't know how much of GB or MB it is. I get from the garbage of the circuit where the components are recycled from that garbage, recycle bin or what you say. Look at this, it's back. All right, here we go. Back is nothing but two sharp pinouts. Two sharp pinouts. Alright, I will turn on the macro camera in order to see the each component carefully, or it is visible in without macro also. I think so. No, it is not visible in macro, non-macro. So I will open a macro camera to see each component carefully and clearly. Alright, we are at the motherboard now. Let's look at the motherboard components. Here's the main processor, or it's made of Intel, here written Intel, and made in Philippines. Look at this. And what is the number? 1200, 256 and 100. I don't know what this number. Probably the 1200 is megahertz and 256 bit and 256 bit. Okay, I don't know. Probably, but this is Celeron. Celeron would be the company. Okay, and this is probably the graphics card. I think so, it is graphics card, but I'm not 100% sure. VT8601T, made in China. Okay, the processor is made in Philippines, it is made in China. Look at the battery, this 3 volt and made in Japan. Okay, the 3 countries. We got here 3 countries. OMG, the motherboard contributed by 3 countries. Okay, this is ATA 100. I don't know what it is. This is probably the ROM, 100 GB or 100 MB ROM. I don't know what it is. Graphics card. If this is graphics card, this is a CPU, and this is ROM. I don't know what it is. ATA 100. I don't know. Probably the ROM only. Okay, now what to show? Okay, here's the power supply capacitors. As you could see, it is 1500 microfarad and 10 volt. 10 volts. Yeah, it is 10 volts only. And the bigger one are 16 volts and 2200 microfarad, and the smaller ones are 10 volt and 1500 microfarads. And these are some of the coils. As you could see, 2 coils are here, green resistors, and this is the main power supply. I think the power are handled here in capacitor, and this is the switching transistors probably. And this is what YO149 FDB 6035AL. Okay, and those are non-SMD resistors. Interesting. Fuse or resistor, I don't know, the green one, because if there are resistor then there would be color code, but the fully green, what it is? Probably the fuse, I think so. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, now let's see this. It is made in Korea. Okay, we got it 4 countries here. Korea, ST7518 chip. And look at this. This is MOSFET, which burned MOSFET. I don't know what company. Okay, here written L at 5 and little bit of burned, and down it written A2E5, which MOSFET is burned and this motherboard is failed. I think so. This was only the reason to fail the motherboard. And this is also the transistor 20N03L N1212. Okay, transistors, on board transistors. And these are the chip. Okay, look at the chip where light is dimming. Okay, P0223A DCF is the chip. Okay, look at this now. Small transistors. 5G. It's written 5G1 or what it is, whatever it is. And look at this. This is the RAM from Singapore. 0128 means 0128 means 128 MB RAM. Okay, I think so. 128 MB RAM only. Made in Singapore. So here we got, I think, 5 countries. Okay, because this is made in Philippines, and this is made in China, this is made in Japan, and this is made in Singapore, and one chip is here made in Korea. Okay, 3, 4 and 5 countries we got in this motherboard. This is good. All countries are working together. That's good. And this is oscillator 32768. Okay, look at this chip. This is BIOS chip. On starting, if this chip is not good, the computer probably will not start. BIOS chip. This is too big, but nowadays in computers this chip is too small. Alright, look at this 330 or what is 472 chip, 6 pin. No, this is not 6, 8 pin chip. 472 8 pin chip. Here 330 8 pin chip. Okay, and this is the RAM slot. I think so, some slot, I don't know which kind of slot. It's RAM slot, graphics slot, lots of slot are given here. Just put everything inside it. This is the main motherboard, M6 VLR version 3.0. Look at this. This is too strong, ultra strong. Put heavy weight in this, nothing will happen, nothing will break, because it is made of titanium. Lol, I'm just joking. I don't know what is this made of, the whole board. Probably some kind of wood or what, I don't know. Here also the register, green, not register, I don't think so. Register fully green, no color code. What the dash. Those are the small SMD registers. Look at this are register, not this green one is register. This is something else, I don't know. And those are Zener diodes. Okay, some capacitors, lots of capacitors, small. Alright, small capacitor here also, some chips. What to show? Nothing to show here now. Everything I have shown. And this chip, if you want to see, okay, AMS 111702223 transistor, probably this one, transistor or MOSFET, I don't know. Okay, small transistors and Zener diodes and some sockets. Okay, the main component I have shown, the main what do you say, resistors and transistors value I have shown already. Nothing to show new is the Korean made, already shown. Okay, I have shown everything. And this is the audio chip, probably, I think so, because it looks like audio chip. VT, what is it? VT1612A. Okay, and this chip is same as there, AMS 111702221. And this is small transistor. Look at this transistor, small one, the DIY transistor. Lol. Alright, everything is shown. And this red one, probably the, what you call that, fuse, I think so, it is the fuse. And this is the crystal oscillator, 01431B2A crystal oscillator. Right value or wrong value? Which value is not showing too clearly. Okay, let's see the clear value, 01431B2 and last A, I think. What is it written? No, in last 2 5, not A. B2 5. Okay. Okay, the oscillator is that, and here also small oscillator 32768 already shown. Okay, everything is shown. And these are the 2 coils, bigger coil, which can be extracted to make DIY Joule thief. Making Joule thief with these 2 toroid cores. Lol. And that's it, ending the video. Thanks for watching.